Hey guys, do you know you can grow mushrooms in your room for whole year? It's very simple and interesting. If you wanna grow, then watch till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Shaun and you're watching Plant School. Today's topic is about growing mushrooms. Yeah, isn't it very interesting? I just bought this mushroom variety. It's called oyster mushroom. These are actually mushroom spawn pack. So these black things you're seeing here is wood dust, and white things are mushroom mycelium. From this mycelium mushroom grows. So now let's see the process. So at first you have to make multiple holes by poking it. From these holes mushroom will come out. Let me show you, it's very simple. Yeah, just like this. After that you have to soak this spawn pack for 20 minutes. Now wait 10 minutes to drain out extra water from this pack. And now it's time to select a cool and dark place where you can keep your mushrooms. I'm keeping them here under my desk. It's dark and cool, and I used polythene to protect floor from water because I have to spray every day. And I'm also using a carton. I'll keep them into this carton to provide extra darkness. You can hang this a pack or put onto something as you wish, and keep some gaps between these packs because when mushrooms will grow they're gonna need more space. Now the setup is complete. All you have to do is spray water twice a day and wait for your delicious mushrooms. After 14 days, first new growth of mushrooms. You can see 2 mushrooms are coming out from this pack. They are so cute, aren't they? They are so white. And also from this pack it's very small. Don't stop spraying these mushrooms, otherwise they will die. It's day 15 and they are growing very fast. Just look at this, so beautiful. Don't touch them to avoid damage, and keep spraying twice a day. It will help them to grow. It's day 16 and they are big enough and looking more beautiful now. They're quite big. They're white as milk. Also coming out from this pack, from every single hole. They are still small and you have to keep spraying. It's day 17, mushroom picking day. I'm so excited about this. These are still small enough to pick, so I'm gonna let them grow. Mushroom picking is very simple, just like this. They are so soft, and just look how beautiful they are. Magnificent, isn't it? So that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Bye.